KROS Stock. Monday, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So, Keros Therapeutics. I'm not even trying to be mean in this video, but this looks awful. It was 2% up on Friday, but let's look at this. Weekly perspective of performance, 73% down. Crazy numbers, crazy. And when situations like this comes around, I'm just like, right. Since I've treated it before, I mean, I've done 32,000 videos in the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships, and as a result, the strategy has delivered thousands of repetitions. Doesn't necessarily mean that I'm gonna long or short here, but I have this red line pointing towards the downside because this is not enough data for me to trade after we've kept up that much. That's why, I mean, just from experience, most of the time just keeps going. So no trades are gonna be taken, but I'm just showing you kind of my bias on this. Still bearish. If you want to learn the strategy, there is a free newsletter. First link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.